Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we will start by choosing a dark color background. Next we will add text. You can choose the font and the size of your preference. We will create 3 copies of the text, hide the last one and convert the remaining 2 into shape layers. Then we will mask the layer letter T and apply the pattern overlay. Now we will change the color of the second shape layer to red. First make sure you select the shape layer and then select the direct selection tool. Now we will cut the dot of the letter I and move its top 2 points upwards. And we will also drag the bottom points upward as well. Then we will paste the dot that we have already copied. Now let's search for a texture which you can easily find on Google, and then we will invert it by pressing Ctrl plus I so that we can add a dot effect to text layer, and we will then apply it as a clipping mask. Select the layer mode to overlay. Then we will add curves so that we can adjust the overall brightness of the text. Now let's unhide the third text layer and convert it to shape layer. Then again remove some extra points from the text as shown in the video. Press Ctrl E to merge layers and apply gradient to it. Now let's add the second text and align it with letter I. Again convert it to the shape layer and drag the bottom 2 points towards the dot of I. Now we will apply the pattern to the dot of the letter I as well. Make sure that we have the mask that we applied to the letter D selected, and then ensure that the foreground color is set to white. Next, press Alt plus backspace to apply the texture effect to the letter I as well. After that, we will add a new solid layer as a white background and apply some noise to it. And then we'll change the blend mode to color overlay. Now this looks fine to me. Well, this concludes tutorial for today. Till next time, have a good one.